Hi, this is Ed Reether in Taos, New Mexico, and I wanted to share what I learned about growing wheat and rye in northern New Mexico on our 4 acres, but I only grew it 1 acre this year. And so this is the product. It is rye. Here's the seed heads, and this is the stalk. And we're going to take this and we're going to turn it into seeds and then eventually into flour, which is what we do here. So the first thing you have to learn is to cut the stalk in the field. And now what I did is I put a blade on my weed eater, and this will cut the stalk. Once you cut the stalk, you then need to cut the top of the head. And that will yield this. And what you want to do now is to thresh it. So you take this and put it in a large barrel. Some people like to put it in a smaller 5-gallon plastic jug, put a little hole in it, put a drill in, and thresh it. Because the tool that you're going to use, or I use, which is really very effective, is this rod, threaded, 1/2 inch, with chain on it. And this, I'll show you how it works to thresh that. So what I do is I take the threaded rod with the chain on it, put it on my drill, and I don't need a top, but some people want to put a top on it. And what you want to do that process, which will take a few more minutes to do, will yield at the bottom of that big barrel the threshed stalk and the seeds. From this time, you take it over to your screen, 1/4 inch, lay it on there, so now you have all the grasses on top. This is the next process. Now you're ready to winnow. So you come to the winnowing station, and this is that product that you threshed. The winnowing station is with a fan and a nice windy afternoon in Taos. And what you do So what you can see now is you have the grain. Now you do this once or twice, and you will then, over here, have the grain that's ready for milling. And we here at the B Zone use a Blendtec machine into flour, and you can bake your bread. So this is the process that we use, and is very effective, and I didn't find any comprehensive video on the internet that demonstrated this process that will yield you a product from the stalk and the seed heads from the growing of the grain. So I hope you learned something from this, and it will make your life a lot easier when you grow your wheat or your grain in your field. Take care. Bye.